Do you think you can breathe like a fish now? Yeah?
I'm going for the fishes and they won't get booster. Go, Kaiden, go!
What are we doing in the pool?
Now we're going snorkeling.
Kaiden's gonna practice snorkeling so he can do it in the ocean.
All right. Try swimming.
He jumped right in.
Hey, good job.
The trick is to keep the top of the snorkel out of the water so you can breathe.
Look at that. You're like a real fish. You can stay under there forever. Yeah! That's amazing. There's going to be fishes everywhere.
Where are you going, Kaiden?
You can't go underwater with that. You have to stay above water.
Yeah. It's just if you go underwater, you have to hold your breath, okay? And then when you come back up,
Then you can breathe again.
you can breathe again through there.
And not underwater.
Yeah.
Kaiden's figuring it out,
You do good.
but he's got to learn what he does when he goes under the water.
So I'm gonna say, hold your breath. We're gonna go underwater, and when we come up, I want you to go like this. First thing, go just like that, and then you can start breathing again. But don't take this out of your mouth because then you're gonna have a hard time
And
putting
don't-
it back in.
And when you're underwater, don't try to breathe. Hold your breath and do
Hold your
not
breath
suck
underwater,
in water, okay? If there's water, don't suck it in.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go, Kaiden, you can do it.
Okay, breathe. Come on in.
Go it up. Hold your breath. You did it!
You're a pro now. You're like a real fish. I think you got it. I think this kid is ready for some real
I don't
snorkeling.
think he's come up.
No, he hasn't.
He's in there. Look at it. Flat, nice and flat.
So, do you think you can breathe like a fish now? Yeah? Are you ready to go to Hawaii and swim with the fishes? Maybe turtles? I think that'd be perfect.
All right, so here we are in Hawaii. I'm opening up my Tidal sports goggles to use them for the first time. Poipu. Let's go. Look at that.
Ooh, those look nice. All right, Kaiden's setup is blue. Hey, it matches you right now. You're gonna look nice. Go, Kaiden, go!
We're finally here in Hawaii to try out snorkeling, and our friends at Tidal Sports gave us brand new goggles to try out, and the lenses were super clear. They also gave us a waterproof camera case so we can film Kaiden underwater.
All right, it's like a protective case for the phone to record, and it's even got a floaty bar just like GoPro, so I'm excited to use this.
Let's go! Kaiden got in the water and was swimming just like a fish, keeping up with his dad no problem. And with the underwater camera, we could see all sorts of fish. Kaiden and his dad were even feeding them. Looks like they're pretty hungry. Be careful not to lose a finger. Seeing the underwater world was so much fun, and there were so many colorful fishes. Kaiden was having a blast, and even Mom found some time to take some selfies. But it was time to come up for some air, because our adventure wasn't done quite yet.
I'm going for the fishes and they won't get booster.
What is that? They had an underwater scooter to try out. It would help pull you through the water with propellers. Look at how fast Mom's going. She's just like a fish. She was chasing them and even fit right into the school. Kaiden saw how much fun she was having and wanted to hitch a ride. Hold on tight, Kaiden. But that wasn't enough for Kaiden. He wanted to try it himself. So after Dad showed him a couple things on how to work it, he was off to the races. But Dad had to hold on to him or else we'd never see Kaiden again. Kaiden is doing amazing, but is he ready for the next challenge?
Woo! Look at this!
We're going out to deep water,
What do I do?
Look at all those flying fishes!
and we had to take a boat to get there.
Yay!
Let's do this,
Yay!
baby.
Kaiden's excited, and after a few short words from the guide, we hopped in the water. And there were so many fish right by our boat. But as Kaiden swam out, he realized he could barely see the bottom. And look how far the boat is. Mom's a great diver, so she swam all the way to the bottom. Look at her go. Down deep there were so many wonderful animals to look at and beautiful coral reef. And if you look up, you can see Kaiden, that tiny speck on the surface. He was just hanging out with Dad, swimming like a jellyfish, and feeding the fish too. Whoa, that was a close one. Watch out, Kaiden. Kaiden conquered all the snorkeling, even the deep water. We were so impressed when we got home, we decided to take him to the secret turtle beach. When we got there, we were instantly greeted by our new fish friends, including 2 raccoon butterfly fish. They just kept wanting to hang out. Kaiden would just bob with them and even tried to play rock, paper, scissors with them. I wonder who won. While we were waiting to find some sea turtles, Mom found some other sea creatures, like this curious little eel. There were also a ton of sea urchins. But as Mom was combing the seafloor, Kaiden saw something out of the corner of his eye. It was a sea turtle. He was just hanging out underneath the reef rocks. He came out to say hello for a little bit, but then went back to his home. But as we swam away, we realized he had a neighbor. He wanted to come say hello too. We just had to make sure to give them space so we didn't stress them out. This is their home after all. After we thought there was no way we'd see any more, we found another one. And another one. Soon, no matter where we looked, there were more turtles. They were just out exploring and hanging out with us. And more started to come out. It felt like something right out of a movie. And we were beginning to lose track of how many we found. It seemed like under every single rock there was a turtle. And you could see how good their camouflage is. They look just like the reef. But eventually, they all came out to play. They were just diving and swimming all around us. It was like they were showing us their home. We even found one that was missing a flipper, but he seemed to be swimming just fine. We had so much fun with our new sea turtle friends, but it was time for us to go. Good night, little sea turtles. Until next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.